Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. New ministers to be sworn in on Saturday. Most ministers to get additional portfolios. Ramesh may get agriculture. Francis TCP, Mandrekar Panchayat. Panji Mayor Furtado announces his Congress candidature from Panji. Announcement in presence of GPCC Chief Louisin. Louisin points at High Command. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar inspects Goa shipyard, appreciates technical capabilities, says Make in India mission will boost GSL. High Court dismisses Goa government's appeal in Samir Mapari murder case, upholds acquittal of all three accused, prosecution fails again. And website of Governor of Goa hacked from Pakistan. Cyber cell of Goa police confirms hacked website still under construction. And now the news in detail. New ministers will be sworn in on Saturday. Most of the ministers will retain their existing portfolios and also get additional portfolios. Ramesh Tawwadkar may get agriculture, Francis D'Souza may get TCP, and there are chances of Mandrekar getting Panchayat portfolio. Sources say that Deepak's corporation portfolio will be removed. Portfolios will be allotted on Saturday evening.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar will get his new cabinet on Saturday. Miki Pacheco and Avartan Furtado will be sworn in on Saturday. Portfolio distribution will follow the cabinet expansion. Portfolios to most of the ministers have been finalized. Sources say Deputy CM Francis D'Souza will get TCP as an additional portfolio. Dayanand Mandrekar may get Panchayat as an additional one. There are chances that Tawwadkar may get agriculture portfolio of former CM Parrikar. Sudhin Dhawadkar, Mahadev Naik, Dilip Parwekar, Milind Naik, Avartan Furtado and Alina Saldana will retain their portfolios. However, there are chances that Deepak may lose his cooperation portfolio. There are chances that ministers will also get other minor portfolios. The new Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar will mostly retain all the portfolios handled by former Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. However, he will not retain education and health with him. Have a look. Portfolios to new entrant Miki Pacheco were not confirmed till Friday late night. The decision will take few more hours. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Panji Mayor Surendra Furtado has announced his candidature for Panji Bypoles as Congress candidate. He announced it in presence of GPCC Chief Louisin Falero at Congress House. However, Louisino was prompt to clarify that the party high command will take a final call and views of all the concerned will be considered before arriving at a decision. Congress has stayed mum on Babush's plans of filing candidature from Panji as an independent candidate.
On Jawaharlal's birthday that I am the candidate of Congress party in Panjim and only Surendra Furtado, nobody else. I have been ill-treated by this party right from 94. Now with Mr. Louisin Falero as the president, I am confident that everything goes smoothly. I hope there will be no match fixing this time. I am very blunt. On the day of the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, I am announcing my candidature in presence of the party of the president.
Let me just clarify, I am very happy that he has offered his candidature. But as the president, as per the procedure, we will definitely consider it and we will announce it at the appropriate time after taking the appropriate decision. And as a president, I reciprocate this enthusiasm, but we will take a decision as per the procedures of the party, and the announcement comes from Delhi, not from Louisin Falero.
Panji MLA Manohar Parrikar has been elevated as the Rajya Sabha MP and the Union Defence Minister. Once he resigns as a Panji MLA, battlefield for Panji constituency by poll will be open. Surendra Furtado is claiming for Congress seat for Panji. Congress MLA Babush Montserrat is planning as an independent. When questioned, Lucino opted to be mum.
Your Congress MLA Babush Montserrat already declared as an independent candidate. He himself declared. What do you want to say on that?
In all humility, I don't want to comment on independent candidates.
But he is a Congress candidate. He is a Congress MLA. No, he is a Congress MLA. He is your MLA. That's why we are asking. He is your MLA. What do you want to say?
I have said in all humility, I don't want to comment on this.
Reporter Mahesh Gade with video journalist Devendra Gankar for Prudent.
Goa Shipyard has better technical capabilities compared to other defense vessel building shipyards. The Union Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar said while assuring shipbuilding business to the GSL in order to boost its turnover. He inspected the facilities at the GSL on Friday. Parrikar also disclosed his ministry's plans to enforce Prime Minister Modi's Make in India mission, thereby increasing the production capabilities in a short period from now.
A policy. Now what we are trying to do is give the orders to Goa Shipyard and ask Goa Shipyard, this is a line of thinking, it is not final decision. Ask Goa Shipyard to go into the technical collaboration with
जाल्यार होवरक्राफ्ट तयार करपाचें सेंटर म्हणून गोवा शिपयार्ड आनी गोंयाक एक अभिमानाचो हे मेळटलो. म्हाका गोवा शिपयार्डचो प्रोडक्शन 1100 कोटी वयल्यान 1026 कितें कोटी वयल्यान जाल्यार 4-5 वर्सान 509 कोटी पर्यंत घसरला, म्हणजे अर्दे जाले. आतां अंदूच्या वर्सा कितें एका 5 म्हयन्या भितर ते एकदम खूब हाडटले अशें ना, पण हांव एक गजाल तुमकां गॅरंटी दिता की गोवा शिपयार्ड जरी ल्हान असलें तरी बाकीच्या अन्य डिफेन्स शिपयार्डा पेक्षा गोवा शिपयार्डा कडेन टेक्निकल कॅपेबिलिटी खूब सुबेज आसा. कार्गो लिमिटेड आसा नांव बरें आसा, त्यामुळे एका विशिश्ट पद्दतीचीच बोटी बांदपाक येतल्यो, पण ह्यो बोटी गोवा शिपयार्डा पर्यंत ऑर्डर हाडपा खातीर आनी तांच्या हें सांगता आसतना हांव कितें आवट ऑफ द वे वचना. मेक इन इंडिया ह्या कॉन्सेप्टा सकयल गोवा शिपयार्ड ऑर्डर बुक भरपूर भरचो ही म्हजी मोख आसतली, ही म्हजें एक टार्गेट आसतलें.
Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar visited the GSL, Coast Guard at Harbour Vasco and Indian Navy base at Daboli on Friday. Parrikar also inspected the modernization work of the shipyard and also took stock of shipbuilding construction work. He was accompanied by South Goa MP Narendra Savoykar, Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida, Murgaon MLA Milind Naik and Kortali MLA Alina Saldana. Meanwhile, the Goa Shipyard Limited has been selected for prestigious Indira Gandhi Raj Bhasha Award for year 2013-14. The award will be presented by President of India Pranab Mukherjee on 15 November at New Delhi. Reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.